long. So we are looking at the functions of money. Do y'all remember what it functions as? One, I'm going to take my dollars out today. A medium of exchange. So next time y'all are buying something, I will give you this medium of exchange for whatever you, a Big Mac. Okay? So basically, this is what's accepted for goods and services. Do you want to write that down, or do y'all get what it means? Okay. The next thing is a unit of account. So today, when I ordered my daughter's pizza, they're going to tell me $6.48, and I was like, I'll be there in 15 minutes. Okay, I could be able to compare values of prices. Last time they told me $7.77. I was like, your price went up, because I could look at that unit of account, and they're like, oh, Miss Verdine. I was like, I come here every week, twice a week. Why is the unit account going up? And they realized that they had done it in the wrong.
Which one though?
Huh?
Which one?
What?
Which like pizza place?
Papa John's.
Ooh, amazing. Papa John's is the best. I don't
Bro,
know.
tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Okay, so now we're all gonna compare pizzas. Okay, but I was comparing their unit of account. And then we're also gonna look at store's value. Okay, our dollar bill actually stores value very well because it's non-perishable. Also, if you wash it, have you ever washed your money?
Yes.
And it comes out nice and crisp because it's made out of cloth?
Yeah, it's like nice and crisp and black.
Blacks, yes. Okay, so do y'all get these three functions of money?
Can I get the wrinkles on my-
Okay, what are the 6 characteristics of money? First off, it has to be durable. So could I make my cupcakes money?
No.
No, even though they were delicious, they were not durable.
Divisible.
Divisible. It's just gonna stay where
Me
it's
without
portable.
on your hand.
My hand.
It focuses on your hand and not the.
Right.
Sure, I thought you couldn't even see it.
Portable,
Think about that.
Yeah, I'm just blind. But
Yeah, your fingers no home.
durable, portable, divisible.
Just-
Sorry.
That's what I think.
So my cupcakes weren't durable, they weren't very portable, they weren't very divisible, right? Acceptable? Some people, except for one person, Colton, did not want to accept them.
The only logical person in the class.
Okay.
I don't want stale cupcakes.
Okay.
Y'all had cupcakes?
No, it was just,
Yeah.
I was just trying to make you were like, I missed the one day, what were I at golf? I had just made cupcakes in so many systems.
I really should
You should have, I should have brought them in that day, okay. They also have to be stable. Are my cupcakes real stable?
I mean, they sit
Anyone
up.
can bake as many as they want, and they go bad all the time.
Yeah, so if all of us at this moment went and made cupcakes, what would happen to the value of our cupcake money?
Down.
Oh, there you go, so they weren't that stable. And uniformity.
Like a chocolate cupcake doesn't have the same value as a plain vanilla cupcake.
Or
Yes, it
one with
does.
sprinkles.
They are all
Or
the
a
same.
red velvet.
Or an Oreo or a red velvet, they've got different values.
It's
That's-
cupcakes.
Well,
so
mine
it's
has
not
different.
uniform.
Okay, so now the cupcake, y'all get the cupcake, you're
Yeah.
dealing with this. Okay, so let's look at the value of each one of these. A commodity, it has its own value. So what has been something that has been used as money that has its own value?
Salt.
Gold, salt, yes. My cupcake, right? It's a commodity.
But
Thank
Okay.
you.
Cigarettes from Welch's Warehouse. Okay. Labor. Huh? Labor. Okay. Okay. Representative. It has value elsewhere. So like a check, right? Would have value elsewhere. That bond that flew out of your window has value elsewhere. Yes.
I deposited my cat.
Yay! Did she change her measures of money yet? No, it just went from her checking into her checking, right? Same measure of money, but we're so proud of you.
It took 87 days.
We were right there.
You see, no one else in other class would cheer about that checking deposit, but because we're in UConn, we're very happy with you. Hey, fiat. money that has value because the government says it has value.
Basically, it's in the way.
Also, our banking system is very proud of that because now they have some excess reserves.
You just think about
I was like, we just got off of it, so I was kind of scared. I was like, we're gonna go on.
What? Just corny as hell. Sorry. Okay. M1. What does it consist of?
Liquid assets.
Liquid. So what are those things that are liquid?
Water.
Coin, currency.
Good one, Cooper.
But not like ethanol.
Checking
Wow,
deposits.
You're a roll call.
Did anyone actually get that?
Yeah, ethanol
Yes.
corn.
No, you're just that smart, you didn't get it.
Maybe we should call this humor algebra 2 because not everyone gets it.
Ah, we got some jokes today, man.
Check out the big brain on.
Okay.
All right.
M2.
It's
Did
recording.
we ever joke like this last year?
No.
I think I just only joked on Donovan every day.
Yeah, it was Donovan.
It was always.
My
It was
class
just
last year
seven.
was
It was
really
a roast session,
dead.
bro.
Oh, because it was second period.
Yeah.
M2.
Yeah, heard it on before.
M2. It consists of non-checkable. We gotta get done.
Yes, we do.
Non-checkable savings, deposits, CDs, which y'all know are certificates of deposit, right? Not the actual CD. Do y'all still buy CDs?
Not,
Yeah.
not as
Yeah.
much
Yeah.
anymore. They don't buy as much of them anymore.
See how that just happened?
You don't buy one? I mean, unless we're talking about movies.
And then money.
That's DVDs, that's different.
Mutual.
Did you say
What?
ABCD?
ABC.
It says AC.
Mutual
I'm
funds.
aware.
This is money.
Money,
Oh, she said it. She said it.
market,
Mutual.
mutual
Mutual
funds. I'm gonna stop using a Claire pen.
Did she just write that book?
You always know.
Even though it is.
Okay, M3 consists of large time
Ah. Uh,
I was
deposits.
just focusing on the pen.
Is that better, the thinner pen?
Yeah.
Okay, which measure is the most liquid?
M1.
What is the job of the Federal Reserve? Well, first thing, monetary policy. Second thing, they issue currency.
They take money out of circulation.
Okay, they coordinate the regulatory activities of the banks. Take money out of circulation.
They deal with money.
And last thing, they're the bank of the federal government. And they sell and buy securities. And that's how they add money into our money system. By buying and selling that, they take money out, they put money in.
So are securities like bonds?
Yes, they are. It's just another name for it.
Are-
Sorry.
Are securities in any way related to the Securities and Exchange Commission?
That they're looking at what is going on with the securities and bonds. Okay, so what are the three tools of monetary policy? Y'all know fractional reserve system is the money
You get paid.
that a bank has to do what?
Thanks, must use it.
Has to keep on hand, right? From a deposit.
And that's not, like, once they take that money in, it's all collected,
It-
right?
Yeah, it's
So
all,
let's say you deposit 10,000, I deposit 1,000, and the reserve, or I deposit 2,000, so it's 12,000, the reserve of prime is 50%, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if it's 6,000 or 6,000 of yours and 2,000.
It's collective.
So it doesn't
Yeah.
matter if it's.
But for each one of them, but by the end of the day, they calculate that.
Right.
Okay, discount rate, it's the interest rate that the Federal Reserve charges banks to borrow moolah, money. I said money, M-U-L-A-H. Narrow. Okay, so
I just put the dollars.
open market operations, when the governments buy, they buy from y'all, what are they giving y'all? Money, so the money supply, money supply increases, right? Or MS increases, but I don't wanna write that, cause there's a gang named MS. Okay,
Just
And
don't
a
write it.
disease.
and it is a disease, that's true, so I will write money supply. Money supply increases, this is known as expansionary monetary policy. When they sell, what happens to the money supply? Money supply decreases, and this is contractionary. And these are the most used tools. Okay. The backside, all it is equations. So I wanna make sure you know those equations. Alright?
Let's just get this over with.
Okay, reserve requirement, I take the deposit times what?
Reserve requirements.
In decimal form. Come on, I can see clearly. Excess reserves,
Dollars deposited times,
deposit minus,
well, I was
oh, you do it that way too,
I was
but,
saying times 100 minus whatever.
yeah, reserve requirement, that's our cheat. That's our cheat, but sometimes they're gonna ask you for each little step, so when they ask you for that, we have to do the little
Yes.
money multiplier. 1 over the reserve requirement decimal, right? Total creation for money from excess reserves. I take excess reserves times what? Money multiplier gives me total creation. Total creation from the demand deposits. Reserve requirement times what? Money multiplier. Two more things. Real interest rate formula. I take the nominal, which I know the nominal is what?
Inflation.
With inflation, cause it has the what? I'm gonna write that nominal. Interest. I can either take away the inflation or I could add it, right? If it says it's expecting, I'm gonna add it, right? Okay, so minus or plus inflation. Okay, formula to calculate simple interest, I've actually taken it off. Because I went back, remember I told you I was gonna email someone, cause it's no longer in our new, this new binder of things that I have to teach you. Okay? Huh?
Okay,
Okay,
that's how.
you'll have time to work on your binder, I'll get you that PowerPoint.
Anyone want to buy coffee before lunch?
And we don't need to worry about that worksheet, right?
No, cause I have them all in my binder. Ryan, I'm gonna send you that video. Oh, can someone, did I even record sorry.